20 Memorable Quotes Film The Last Samurai Part 2, 2003. The Last Samurai, directed by Edward Zwick, is a sweeping epic that explores themes of honor, cultural clash, and personal redemption. Set in 19th century Japan, the film stars Tom Cruise as Nathan Algren, a disillusioned American military advisor hired to help the Japanese government suppress the samurai rebellion led by Katsumoto, portrayed by Ken Watanabe. As Algren becomes captivated by the samurai's code of honor and way of life, he undergoes a profound transformation. The film vividly contrasts the rapid modernization of Japan with the ancient traditions of the samurai. Through intense battle sequences and emotional storytelling, it delves into Algren's internal struggle and his journey towards understanding and embracing a new way of life. The narrative highlights the beauty and sacrifice inherent in both cultures, culminating in a powerful tribute to the samurai's enduring legacy. Algren, you want me to kill Japos, I'll kill Japos. Colonel Barclay, I'm not asking you to kill anybody. Algren, you want me to kill the enemies of Japos, I'll kill the enemies of Japos. Rebs, or Sioux, or Chain. For $500 a month, I'll kill whoever you want. But keep one thing in mind, I'd happily kill you for free. Algren, this is Katsumoto's sword. He would have wanted you to have it. He hoped with his dying breath that you would remember his ancestors who held this sword, and what they died for. May the strength of the samurai be with you always. Zebulon Gant, right, you little bastards. You will stand up straight or I will personally shit-kick every Far Eastern buttock that appear before me eyes. Algren, well done, Sergeant. Zebulon Gant, when you understand the language, sir, everything falls into place. Algren, what else has she told you? Katsumoto, that you have nightmares. Algren, every soldier has nightmares. Katsumoto, only one who is ashamed of what he has done. Algren, you have no idea what I have done. Algren, I fought for a country that doesn't even know my name. Katsumoto, a samurai's honor is his life. Algren, I'm a soldier, not a hero. Katsumoto, a hero is a man who does what is right, even when it is difficult. Algren, I'm just trying to survive. Katsumoto, a samurai's life is a gift. It is to be lived with honor and courage. Algren, I'm not a samurai. I'm a foreigner. Katsumoto, a warrior's heart knows no borders. Algren, I've seen too much death. Katsumoto, death is a part of life. It is nothing to fear. Algren, I'm tired of fighting. Katsumoto, a samurai never tires of fighting for what is right. Algren, I'm not a man of war. Katsumoto, every man is a warrior, whether he knows it or not.